Hey guys, welcome back to Curious Minds, and today we will be seeing how to make a DIY rain gog. So all you need is a ruler, some oil, a plastic water bottle, scissors, and finally some cello tape. So let's make it right away. So here we go. Step 1 is cut the water bottle and make the mouth of the water bottle as a funnel, and then take this water bottle. So this is the water bottle. Now take the cellophane tape and a ruler. You need a ruler to just take it and stick it around like I did. Here we go. So this is how I stuck it. So step 3 is stick the ruler with some sellotape, and then have to do is, so now take some oil and pour it till 1 centimeter in the water bottle. 1 centimeter in the water bottle, so that you can make the bottom even, so that while raining and while the wind is blowing, the water bottle will not flow. So after pouring the oil till 1 centimeter to make it after making it the bottom even, so that it doesn't fall when the wind blows, or to make it flatter and get that scale level. So then you have to insert the funnel which we made out of the water bottle till it fully goes inside, and till this form. After it goes inside, you have, then you have got this. So now let's see from step number 1. First, cut the water bottle and make it into a funnel using a scissor. Then get some rulers and cellophane tape so that you can stick this around, and then after use the oil and pour it till 1 centimeter level, so that you get that scale level. So this is all you need to make a rain gog. Now, let's see how this rain gog works. It's time for testing.